In this video, some guy walks up with a strange device, rings the doorbell, then runs off. The homeowner was left totally confused after this.
Camera recording.
The top guesses all point to one thing: techie theft. Some think it was a relay attack trying to pick up a car key signal through the wall, especially if the keys were near the door. Others say it might have been a Flipper Zero, a gadget that can mess with smart devices, maybe even trying to spoof or disable the doorbell camera. Either way, it seems like someone was testing out some shady tech tricks, not just being weird for fun.